Hi everybody. In this video, I will provide information about the latest NFT game called Karmaverse, Zombies, and make $100 from this NFT game. In this video, I will share how to get started playing this NFT game, how to get NFT fighters and non-NFT fighters as your main weapon to make money, and how you convert your fighting results into cash that can be withdrawn to your wallet address. First, you can download this NFT game on Play Store or App Store. After downloading the game, start to register using your email. Voila! Now you are ready to make money. But for the first time you start, follow all the instructions given by this NFT game. After you follow all the instructions given, you will get 5 non-NFT fighters for you to produce serum in every fight you play. Serum is the result of your battle that can be converted into money that will become your income. Serum is earned from battling other fighters, defeating monsters on the map, and defeating giant monsters along with your alliance. Apart from that, you can also get serum and other NFTs by watching advertising videos. For every fight, you need energy. Here there is raid energy that is used to fight with other players after you reach level 4 and build a watchtower. There is also world energy to fight with the monsters on the map. In addition to these two energies, there is also giant corrupted energy which is used to defeat giant monsters that you can defeat together with the alliance after you join the alliance. There are also attractive prizes for you by completing daily missions and special missions in bounty contracts. How to get $100. You have to keep your MMR from being stolen and always produce as much serum as possible and get NFT fighters that you can sell.
Kick. Kick.
you for watching this video. You can share this video with your friends who want to make money from games, especially NFT games. Thank you.